Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hudson local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need Hudson long-distance 3 Movers to help out with your relocation to another state or country? Perhaps you are tired of searching for the best company that offers you services and also gives the best rate. Do not worry or search any longer. All you need is available at 3 Movers. 3 Movers Company has been in the moving industry and business for over a decade. Since our inception, we have helped numerous clients relocate seamlessly into their new locations without recording any injury or damage. Many of our past clients also have come back because of the seamless transition they enjoyed the first time. You should also reach out to us. Local moves are not as expensive as long-distance moves, and our local moving services are very affordable. We charge as low as $30 and $40 per hour. You get value for your money despite our low rates. Irrespective of the city's active environment, our expert movers can assure you of a smooth move. We also carry you along throughout the entire moving process. We provide great moves at cheap rates. It's no wonder we are the favorite local moving company in Hudson. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hudson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.